Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for a lock screen in Realme C55. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then allocate additional settings at the bottom. You should find gestures and motions, and now there's entire tab dedicated for screen of gestures. We're gonna cover it at the end. Now let's check both of the screenshots, which are kind of pointless, but anyway we're gonna check it. Enable them both. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. On a normal unlocked phone it looks like this, so that's a partial screenshot, and another one like this. Now on our locked phone we need to wake up the screen, and this works fine, but this doesn't. Now let's move to actual dedicated screen of gestures tab. Enable them, and first one is double tap to wake or turn off screen, and if we click on any empty space it should turn off screen or not. Then let's try it on a lock. Yep, it works fine. Now next feature is draw O to open a camera. Let's try it. Yep, it works. Next is, I think, V to turn on or off flashlight. Yep, it works fine. Next feature, music control, and I can show you exactly how this works, but here we can read that if you draw 2 lines you will get to pause or play music. If you draw arrow to the left you will play previous track. If you draw arrow to the right you will play next track. And here in more there's custom gestures, so we can draw arrow up, draw M or W. To open one of the functions you can click on it to customize them. Let's go for the arrow up, and here open app, Chrome, and if we try to make it, we'll need to unlock our phone, and right here Google Chrome launchers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.